Hiya guys, welcome to my channel. Before I start, I do apologise for the noise in the background. I'm 3D printing some wall brackets for this baby, so once again I apologise. Super exciting. I caved in at end. I posted a message on the TheC64 group saying that I had a problem in it, and the TheC64 that I caved in. And I've got this, so let's open it and see what's inside. I know there's a billion videos on this, but this is my little intake on it, and let's see if I can open it up. Wow, it's proper taped up. So I got this from Argos in Leeds, and it took about 20 hours to come, so which is really cool. Here we are. Oh, this is so cool. So, and here we are. Yeah, I am now proud owner of the TheC64, which is so cool. Can't believe it, man. So I'm going to open this up very carefully. Let's open this up. There we go. Just take the plastic bag off. See, whoa, super exciting. Here we go. Oh man, the box is really nice. And here we go. Put it this way. I'll be keeping this because I obviously for protection of the computer. Let's get this down. Over there. Actually, it's quite weighty. I know they put weights in the back. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, I love it, man. This is so cool. I'm not going to go around because most of you got it already. But it's very popular. I know that. See what's in here. Super excited to set it up. Just waiting for the 3D prints. And here's a infamous joystick. It does feel nice though. The micro switches. Super. Quick start guide. I think I'm going to order the book because it looks pretty cool, and obviously charger. There we go, and that's the charger and the HDMI cable. So, what else have we got in here? Oh, nothing, that's it. So, oh man, look at it. This is so cool. Absolutely insane. They've got it really like correct. You know what I mean? I think when they made it, I think the people who made this, they've got to labour all over the Commodore, because it really is really cool. So I've got this now. Let me just get it. Let me just move this out of the way. So I've got this. Me Mini. You see there. And let me just turn the camera. So that's my C64 C with a cover over. It's pretty cool. See it all down here. I've got all my retro stuff, retro consoles and God knows what else. So this one will nicely go into place. What I'm printing, there's a printer printing some brackets. Pretty cool. So when those done, I shall put it on the wall and it'll be super cool. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be posting lots and lots of stuff about it in the group. And have a good day, and I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.